Now if we want to export the map as PNG with the georeferencing information and saving the world file, we need to click on this export as image button, and then let's select the PNG and write the name, countries, and save. Here you can select the export resolution, and if you prefer the page width and height, you can adjust also that. And always click on this enable anti-aliasing so that the scale of the map will perfectly match. And this is the most important part. If you want to save the file with georeferencing information, so that you will be able to import the map with georeferencing. So click on this menu, generate world file, and if you want to see the file after exporting, you can check on this tick mark and save. Since we have a very big data set, this is the country boundary of all countries of the world, so it will take some more time. But if you have a smaller simple shapefile dataset, it will be saved immediately. The file has been exported and opened. You can see that all the country boundaries has been exported correctly. Let's close this. Now we want to import the map in our project. Let's refresh the list. This is the file, that countries.png, we have exported quite a while ago. Let's import this to our project, and you can see that this raster data says no coordinate reference system set. Let's fix that. Go to properties. Since our project CRS that we saved previously is EPSG4326, that is WGS84 world CRS, we need to select that CRS from here. Click on this and select the project CRS is EPSG4326 WGS84 and apply. Okay, now you can see that the message has gone. Let's check if all the countries are perfectly aligned with our shape. Let's zoom a little bit. And turn off and turn on. You can see that all the countries' boundaries has been successfully and perfectly aligned to our shape. Thanks for watching.